In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound or audio problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you are using Windows and all of a sudden your Windows audio sound stopped working, or you couldn't use the audio sound when you are not connecting an external device as your audio source, then you can easily fix this and troubleshoot this in this video. So if you are not on this video, you found this video helpful and informative on how you can easily fix sound or the audio problem in Windows, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mark you, here I'm going to walk you through different methods, like up to 6 or 7 methods that you can use to fix your audio or sound problem in Windows. So this works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So the first thing you want to do when your Windows audio is not working is to check your speaker output. So if your speaker output is turned off, then the audio system will not work. Now, how do you verify this? If you are using a keypad with audio output function, then want to check whether the audio output function is disabled. If this is disabled, then you may likely see something related to this. Then if you click on this, then you can see this is muted even when this speaker is even at the top here. Now the first one to do here is try to unmute this and see whether the speaker output is going to work. And if that is unmuted, then you should see that this speaker output is working. So that is the first thing you want to check whenever you want to fix audio or sound not working on your Windows computer. Now another troubleshoot to consider when you are fixing the audio problem in your Windows computer is to run the audio troubleshooter. So this can help you to check whether there is a problem with your Windows audio or not, and if there is, you can easily download and fix this update online. To do this, all you need to do is come here and click on this search bar and search for audio troubleshooter. Once this comes up, you should see the first best match as find and fix problems with appliances. Click on that. Then once you selected that, tap the next button. Now wait for this to detect problem with your audio if there is any. This might take a couple of seconds depending on your system. Now here you see I have a speaker connected to my Windows computer, and here if you have a jack, it will tell you jack available, and you can see if you are using headphone, it's going to tell you are using headphone. Otherwise, if all the information here is expected, go ahead and click on the next button. Then this is trying to detect the problem again. You can see turn off sound effect and enhancement. Yes, open audio enhancement. Go ahead and open your system audio enhancement. On the system audio enhancement page, you may want to turn off audio enhancement, like you say, then or restore the default settings. Now, another means that you can use to troubleshoot your sound and audio in Windows is to check whether there is an update available. So if there is an update available, definitely you want to check and update to the latest version on your Windows computer. Otherwise, you may not be able to solve the sound or audio problem. Now to do this might be on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Just go ahead and click on the start button, then select settings. Wait for this page to load, then come down on the left side and click on Windows Update. Here, you want to check whether there is an available update here by clicking on check for update. Then wait for this to check for an update. If there is an update available here, then you need to download and install the update. And once the update is downloaded and installed on your computer, you need to restart for this update to take effect. So if this is what's affecting the audio sound on your Windows computer, this is going to fix it after the update. Now another thing is you want to check the sound settings on your Windows computer. Then checking the sound setting might be the sound has been muted or someone has tampered with the sound unknowingly. Now to do this, all you need to do is right click on the speaker like this. Then you want to select open volume mixer. Then once for this page to load, then you should see under apps, then you should see your sound, all other devices that are using your sound, and then you should see the volume set to 100%. Then this is my speaker output, so this is what I'm using at the moment. So if you are using Realtek, you want to check whether the speaker volume output is set to 100 and is working actively. Then the input device as well, you want to check this, whether the input device is working actively. However, to change your output device, you can just come here and select this. That's going to change your output device, and the input is set to the mic you are currently using. Now come to apps. Under apps, you check the system sound if it is working perfectly. Then at the same time check Qt, QBWebG process if they are working perfectly. But if this volume sound is muted here, let's say you have something related to this, then you need to unmute the speaker. This implies that your Windows computer speaker is muted. Then you need to just click on this to remove the X and unmute the speaker. So that's another way you can use to troubleshoot your Windows speaker. Then another thing you can do here when you have a problem with sound or audio on your Windows computer is to fix the audio driver. So the driver might be outdated. Then you need to make sure you update the Windows driver to the latest version. So if your audio driver is out of date, then here is how you can easily update it. Then search for Device Manager here. Once search for Device Manager, click to open it. This is going to open your Windows 10 or Windows 8 Device Manager, just like this. Now the next one to do is locate sound and select the arrow close to it. So let's check for sound or audio input and output. Then I have that. If you want to locate your audio input and output, then you can see I have this. Then I have the speaker and headphone, which is the Realtek High Definition Audio SST. Right click on this and click on Update Driver. Search for Update Driver automatically. If there is an update available, you should see an option to download and install this update. Otherwise, you see the best driver for your device already installed. Then go ahead and click close this. Check again for available device you are using. If there is an update available, this is going to download and install the update automatically online. So that is another way. But if this is not working, the next thing you want to do here is set your audio device as the default. So that's the next thing you want to do. You want to set the audio device as default. To do this, all you need to do is click on this start button. Now I want to select settings. Under settings, locate system and click on that. Then locate sound. So once you click on the sound button here, now under output, choose whatever I want to use as your sound or audio output here. I want to use the speaker and headphone as my output. Even whenever I'm using a third-party speaker like MU900, I'll still be able to use my Windows computer as speaker or headphone speaker. Then once that is done, scroll down a bit as well. And in the volume level, you want to see whenever you're talking to check whether this is working. I can say my volume level is actually working. This implies that my device microphone is active, and this could mean that my speaker is active as well. Another precaution you want to take here is to restart the audio service. You can restart your Windows audio service when the sound or audio in your Windows is having a problem. To do this, come to this search box and search for services like this, and then open the first result. Then under services, this is what you're going to see. Then locate Windows Audio here. So just search for Windows Audio. You may need to scroll down to the bottom, Windows Audio, this, right click on it, and then you want to click on Restart. This will restart your Windows Audio. Again, locate the Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, right click and then restart. Then lastly, locate Remote Procedure Call and do the same thing, Remote Procedure Call. So here, this, then you can see it is running. Right click on it and then refresh this. Then again, you want to locate Remote Procedure Calls, that is RPC, this, and then refresh it. Then if the restart button is active, you can also restart it. After this, go ahead and restart your Windows computer, and once your Windows computer is restarted, your Windows audio or sound problem should be active. So this is how you can easily fix audio or sound problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.